arrays, linear, planar, and circular, presented by Dr. Srinivasu from St. Peter's Engineering College. Course outline, introduction, elements of antenna, gain or directivity of antenna, types of array, linear, two element array, n element linear array with a uniform amplitude and spacing, circular arrays, planar arrays. Introduction. Antenna composes of elements. These elements has low values of directivity. In application, antennas are required to have very high gains. How to achieve greater gains? Increase the electrical size of the antenna, enlarging the dimensions of single elements. The most efficient is to use an array. What is an array? An antenna array is a set of two or more antennas. The signals from the antennas are combined or processed in order to achieve improved performance over that of a single antenna. Tasks of antenna array: increase the overall gain, provide diversity reception, cancel out interference from a particular set of direction, determine the direction of arrival of the incoming signals to maximize the signal to interference plus noise ratio. Types of array: linear arrays, antenna elements arranged along a straight line. Elements of the array are uniformly spaced. Classifications of linear array: two element array, n element linear array with uniform amplitude and spacing. So two element array, E1 equal to M1 En1 of theta 1 pi 1 into e to the power minus j of kr1 minus beta by 2 divided by r1 into p1, E2 equal to M2 En2 of theta 2 pi 2 e to the power minus j of kr2 plus beta by 2 divided by r2 p2. Here M1, M2 field magnitudes do not include the 1 by r factor. En1, En2 normalized field patterns, R1, R2 distance to the observation point P, beta phase difference between the feed of the two array elements, P1, P2 polarization vectors of the far zone E fields. In this diagram, observation point means P. So from observation point to here, the antenna theta is a phase angle. R1 is another antenna angle. Theta 2 is another angle too. D by 2 is a distance of the antenna. Another D by 2 another antenna. The total distance is D. So the array elements are identical. En1 of theta comma pi equal to En2 of theta comma pi, that is equal En of theta comma pi. They are oriented in the same way in space. Identical polarization. P1 equal to P2 equal to P. Their excitation is of the same amplitude. That means M1 equal to M2 equal to M. N element linear array with a uniform amplitude and spacing. An array of identical elements with identical magnitudes and with a progressive phase is called a uniform array. Total electric field is equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus so on plus En. E total electric field is equal to A into I1 e to the power of j kr1 plus I2 e to the power of j kr2 plus I3 into e to the power of j kr3 plus so on plus In e to the power of j krn, where A equal to j eta kl by 4 pi r sin theta for infinitesimal dipole. I2 equal to I1 into e to the power of j beta. R2 equal to R1 minus d cos theta. Total electric field is equal to A into I1 e to the power of j kr1 of 1 plus e to the power of j beta e to the power of j k d cos theta plus e to the power of j2b e to the power of j2k d cos theta plus e to the power j3 beta e to the power of j3 kd cos theta plus so on. Circular array. Antenna elements arranged around a circular ring. Applications are radio direction finding, air and space navigation, underground propagation, radar, sonar. So in this diagram, delta Rn equal to a cos phi n, that is equal to a sin theta cos of pi minus phi n. E of r comma theta comma pi equal to sum of n is equal to 1 to n, an into e to the power of minus j k Rn divided by Rn. Therefore, Rn is equal to underscore r square plus a square minus 2ar cos pi n. Unlike linear arrays, circular arrays can provide two-dimensional angular scan, both horizontal pi and vertical theta scans. Unlike 2D, two-dimensional planar arrays, circular arrays are basically one-dimensional linear arrays, but in a circular form. Unlike linear arrays, a circular array can scan horizontally for 360 degrees with no distortion near to end fire direction. So planar arrays. Planar arrays are more versatile. Antenna elements arranged over some planar surface, example rectangular array, provide more symmetrical patterns with lower side lobes, much higher directivity, narrow main beam. Applications: tracking radars, remote sensing, and communication. Thank you for watching this video.